snow, harpering, and a flood watch to kick off this video. Hey everyone, I'm Robert from HollyManZXC. I hope you enjoyed the video of me in George Rock, or Round Rock, or Georgetown, whatever you want to call it. Me checking out my Aunt Laura's future house. She wasn't there, but my Aunt Lois was there. Let's check out this huge line of storms. It extends from... Let's see if we can get a town name. From Mills, New Mexico. Here's a huge zoom out of this thing. Here's Amarillo. From Mills, New Mexico. Look how huge this storm is. Wow, it extends. Ooh, there's some harpering right there. That might not be part of the storm. So from Mills, New Mexico to basically, let's see if we can get to St. Germain de Graham or Cape Vladimir. Now here's some harpering somewhere. Let's zoom out a little bit, or zoom out a lot. There's some electricity going on in the air right here. Do you see this? Someone's pumping out some major storm signals into the atmosphere up here near, in between St. Thickle, near Quebec, to Bear Trinity. That's a weird shaped snow pattern. I don't think those are snow patterns. That's a scalar square, isn't it? Or a circle square. Looks like a beautiful butterfly or a moth. Look how that's forming. That looks kind of unusual for just being snow. It looks like there's nothing missing from this model right here, or else it would say missing panel. You see that thing right here, this little square thing? That's a harpering right there in and of itself. So watch out on that way. Good luck pronouncing all these towns. For some severe weather to hit within 24 to 48 hours. Now, did my prediction of the last harpering come true? Let's see. So far, there really isn't much over here, but let's see. Something popped up here in Maine for some reason. What was this thing? There's a little dot right here, and then it just disappeared. Okay, I'm not really good at this, so let's, wow, I zoomed out very far out. Okay, here we go. Here's where I am, Texas. Now let's see if we can zoom out. Here's the flood watch, right here and right here. And what's this right here? Is that a harpering circle area, or is that just rain? Who knows? Let's see. Let's look at St. Louis, where my buddy, who Dutch Sense usually resides. Is that a harpering, or is that actual rain? That looks suspect, doesn't it? Ooh! Something just popped in here. That looks suspect. Here's a flood watch. So be careful, Dutch Sense and whoever else is in St. Louis. I have a wonderful comedian who's also from St. Louis, Kathleen Madigan. She's from St. Louis, Missouri. I think that's the name. That's the name of the state, St. Louis, Missouri. So just be careful, guys. And let's zoom out and see if there's anywhere else that needs to be looked up upon. Remember, there was some harpering going on in Denver. And let's check out Denver right now. Denver's getting some snow. I think that's just how the Denver map is. I don't think that's necessarily harpering. I think the way the mountains reflect off the snow makes it look like harpering, but it does look suspect. Let's get the big picture here. Look at that huge line of snow. That's the next Arctic blast, folks. Is that harpering right there? So, certainly have to watch St. Louis. Let's see if anything forms over here. Alright, nothing seems to be forming. How about out west? Who knows? But it's snowing back here as far as the radar is showing. What's this thing? Is that part of the snow system, or is that a harbor? That could be anything, couldn't it? Marquette. So, okay. Marquette, just probably watch that area. I'm not going to give the 24-48 hours for that. I don't know if that's for sure harpering or if I'm just mistaken. Or just looking for a harpering. I think I'm just mainly grasping at straws here, folks. But I do know that up here is a for sure kind of weird signature going on up here. It's strange how this snow shape is. It looks like a radar is missing a panel, but that must mean that's the harpering right there. That's one huge harper right there. So in any case, I'm just going to leave you wondering if that's a harper or not. I'll just say 24 to 48 hours. Huge storm might break out, but I shouldn't hold my breath. That may not actually happen. We're in Canada, folks. We don't really get very many tornadoes up here. So this could just be a false echo or something. Well, bye.